What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing the 591st Pokemon, oddly known as Amoonguss. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyes. We're going to start with the upper eyelid. Start on the left side. We're going to draw a slight angle going up and in. Leave a gap in between the eyes. Go over towards the right. Angle out and then down. And now we'll draw two half ovals underneath the eyelid. Let's start on the left. We're going to step in to create an overlap. Come down towards the bottom of the eye. And then bend that back up. And then we'll add two small black dots along the top, starting on the left and then the right. Let's move in between the eyes and draw a circle for the mouth. We're going to start right in the middle, go all the way out toward the side, then back up along the right side. And then in the center, we're going to step up and draw a small black dot. Let's move out to the side and draw that bulb-shaped body. We're going to line up at the top of the eyelid, step out towards the left. Just going to curve this down, and then bend that out. Go over towards the right, come down, and then out. Let's go back up to the top. We're just going to bend this up and out towards the side. Let's close off the bottom with a large circle. We're going to start back on the left. Go all the way out toward the left, come down and in towards the middle, and then we'll work our way out and up on the right side. And then we'll add that seam across the bottom of the body, starting back over on the left, come down in the middle, and then bend that back up. Now we're going to do that one more time, stepping down, just follow that same curve, going across, and then up. Now I'm going to go back up and surround the top of the head with an oval. From the left side, we're going to step down, start by curving out, round up the left side, come in, go up in the middle, cross towards the right, just going to round this out, and then come back in towards the side of the head. Let's add a little texture along the side. Starting from the left, curve up and in, step in, draw a short curve. Now I'm going to go back to the left side, step down, follow that same curve, going out and then up toward the side of the head. Line this up on the right, going out and then up. And then we'll connect the side with a large half circle. Starting back on the left, I'm going to go up, round up the top of the head, go across, and then back down on the right. Let's add some detail inside the head. Starting on the left, step up. It's going to curve up and in towards the middle. It's going to leave a gap in the center. Go over towards the right, go out, and then bend that down. Let's go back to the inside, draw two straight lines going up. And then from here, we're just going to go out and then bend that up toward the top of the head. Let's add some spots inside the head. We're going to start on the left side, start with a circle. Go to the inside, we're going to draw a slightly smaller circle. And then we'll draw one more on the right side. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw two large ovals for the hands. Let's start at the top on the left, go out, and then down toward the bottom. I'm just going to pull this up and in, and then back up toward the top. I want to make sure we leave a gap in beside the body. Let's line this up on the right, come in, and then down toward the bottom, and work our way back up along the right side. And now we'll draw the arms in between the body and the hands. Let's start on the left side, curve down, and then out, line this up on the right, do the same thing. And then from the outside of the arm, we'll step down, curve in and up in behind the body. Now I'm going to add some detail inside the hands. Let's start on the outside. We're going to draw a small oval, going around, up, and then back down. Let's do the same thing on the right. And we'll trace that oval on the top and bottom. Let's step up, curve up, and then down. We're just going to leave a gap on the inside, come down toward the bottom, come down, and then up. Let's do the same thing on the right. And then from the inside, we're gonna draw a straight line coming in. Go back up to the top, just gonna curve up and then out toward the top of the oval. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Come in with a straight line, go up to the top, curve up, and then out, come down to the bottom, come down, and then out. And that's pretty much it. There's Amoonguss from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.